Sophia, Demetrius here, and I'm going to go ahead and do a quick review over the LAMP practical you wanted us to do this week. LAMP is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So let's just go over a quick review on what you wanted us to do. You wanted a CRUD application. You said I could use the Symfony framework, so I went ahead and did that. Alright, so let's just go over here. So pretty much what you want is you want us to create a student grade report. You know, it's a teacher's application. And you want the teachers to be able to enter the student's name and a percentage grade. And then based on the percentage grade, it'll give them a letter grade. And then, of course, you can delete the student and you can update the student with a different grade. So then the letter grade will change as well. And the student has an ID which is auto incremented when they are made in the database, so there's no confusion over that. All right, so here's the flowchart. So pretty much what this is we're going to start, we're going to display the student grade records, and then the teacher can have the option to create a new one, delete, update, so and so. Here's how the database is supposed to look right here. I'm going to just compare it with mine. I have the student ID, the student name, student percentage, and the student letter grade. And I saw how you had a varchar on here. I actually changed mine to a decimal, but we'll just see that later in the video. So pretty much create an HTML form that only allows 2 input fields, no more than 2 input. So let me just go ahead and quickly split the screen here so you can see both sides. Alright, so let's go back to the HTML form. Only 2 input fields required. So when you click the plus button here, we have student name and student percentage. Now a teacher should only be able to enter one student name and percentage. After teacher enters the student name and percentage, my program does use if and else statements to determine which letter grade it should be, and it pushes that into the student letter grade field in the database. So let's just quickly go down here. I remember you wanted me to just do some examples. So right here, to test your application and form, try with these grades. So first of all, we're going to start with 94. So we're going to create a student, and we're going to call him Fiddle. And then we're going to go ahead and give him a percentage of 94. Boom, Fiddle, 94, A. Let's go ahead to the next one. We'll call this one Darius, and we'll give him a 54. Darius has a 54. Grade, nothing. Let's go to the next grade. We'll call this one Caitlin, and we'll give Caitlin a grade of 89.9. There we go. We rounded up to 90. Caitlin has an A. Then we'll go ahead and give, who's another one? Ziggs. We'll go ahead and give Ziggs a 60.01. Oops. Sorry about that. Ziggs, what was it? 60.01. And Ziggs has a D, unfortunately. And then the last one, we're going to do Jin, and we're going to give Jin a grade of 102.1%. Jin ended up with an A. Now, quickly, let's fix Darius's grade. So I'm going to go over here to my code, and I'm going to look for where I did the else enough statements. And I'm going to add one more. Else if student get percentage is, if student get percentage is less than 59, we'll go ahead and give this student an F. Even though it's not required for me to do this, I just want to put this in there so the student just doesn't have a blank grade. So let's go back. Let's go to Darius. Let's show Darius. And now let's delete Darius. And we'll create Darius again. Darius, and we'll give Darius. What grade did Darius had? He had a 54. Boom! Darius has an F. All right. Thank you for watching, Fia. This is my lamp practical for you. And yeah, have a good one. Don't tell me I wasn't recording. Oh, wait, no, I was.